relax.
Wow.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. It's my magic cloth. This just helps me glide a little bit. Yeah. Crunchy. Doing okay? Sorry. And how's that feel compared to before?
A lot more free.
A lot more open and loose.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was looking at your chart. I saw you've been having some pain in your neck, and it's kind of going down into your arm and hand. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell me a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, so I would say, well, I work from home, so mainly computer desk work. But the arm, I've noticed maybe within the past week or two, so that's more recent.
Yeah.
I'll have like tingling here. And then at first, like these two fingers I noticed were like bothering me, but that's gone away. So it's like it comes and goes, kind of thing. But I noticed like sometimes, like recently, I woke up in the middle of the night and it felt like somebody like hammered at my hand right here.
Just felt achy and
like,
tight.
What? That's so weird. And then it, in the morning it's like gone. So
okay.
Like, I don't know.
Yeah. Are you having the tingling in the arm right now?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
No. It'll come and go. Like I could just be standing, with my hands down, and I'll start to feel it.
Okay. And then tell me about the neck.
That I guess I have like a little tightness in it. I don't know if it's because I'm constantly, focused. But I'll try to like stretch during the day, and I notice like if I can already like, manipulate my neck a little bit to where I hear it pop in different areas, but it's not, I wouldn't say it's like unbearable type pain or anything like that. I just kind of notice like it's together.
Yeah.
Almost.
Okay. And you said you're not having the numbness and tingling right now, are you?
Not right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And have you ever been to the chiropractor before?
Yeah, but I mean, it's probably been 20 years.
Okay.
18, 20 years.
Okay, gotcha. So immediately to me, it sounds like you got some irritation or some pressure on the nerves that come out of your neck. The reason for that is that the nerves that come out of your neck, they then make their way down into your arm and into your hand. And when they start to get irritated, the first thing that happens is you get kind of either a dull achy pain or you get kind of numbness and tingling. As it progresses, you start to get like shooting pains or burning pains, or the arm may even start to feel very like heavy and weak. So to me, everything that you're telling me with like the working on the computer all day, the fact that your neck is bothering you, and that you've been having these symptoms in your hand and arm, kind of all leads towards the neck. So we'll go in there and kind of see what's going on with your neck and what's not moving well, and see if we can get some pressure off. So what we'll do is let's just start by seeing how well you're moving, okay?
Okay.
So let's have you sit up tall for me. You're going to bring your chin down to your chest as far as you can. Okay, and then look up to the ceiling back as far as you can. Okay, come back down. Turn and look over your right shoulder as far as you can, and then look over your left. Okay, so we're moving pretty good there. Maybe a little bit stiff in our flexion, bringing our chin down, but overall, it doesn't look too bad. So let's do a couple of movements here. And with these movements, I really just want you to tell me if you notice the numbness or tingling in the arm or hand, or if the neck gets any worse, okay? So go ahead and have a seat right here for me, and we're gonna face away. So if I press down on the top of your head here, tell me if you get anything in the arm or hand, or if the neck gets worse. Nothing?
Just a little pressure on the neck, but not.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lift up. Tell me if anything feels better. Better, worse, no change.
Maybe slightly better.
Slightly better? Okay. A little bit of relief. If I come this way, anything get worse in the arm or hand or neck?
Little tightness in the neck, but kind of like toward the back.
Okay. Like in this area?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what if we go here?
Same thing.
Same thing. Just kind of in the neck?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm going to turn you a little bit. we got some stiffness here. Yeah, right there too. And these lower levels are where those nerves come out. So right there is probably going to be one of the big things we need to work on. Feels like we have some tightness in these ribs too, which can contribute to that. Let me have you lay face up for me. Your head will go right here where the paper is. And then I want to take a look at the side of your neck here. There's a little muscle. And so just let me know if when I press in here, if you get any of that tingling.
I kind of feel it like here a little bit.
In the arm? Okay. And what about the front of the shoulder? What about here?
Same, maybe.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I want to check this little muscle in your armpit here. So if I come here into the armpit, subscapularis muscle, any tingling in the arm or hand?
A little bit of tingling.
A little bit of tingling in the hand?
Yeah, in the hand.
Okay. So we got a couple of these muscles that are real tight, and then we have a couple of these areas of your spine that we need to work on. So we're going to go ahead and start by adjusting your neck, okay? All right. So I'll walk you through it because it's been a while, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll take it nice and easy to start. I'm just going to lift your head up. Good. Okay, so it's going to be a quick movement, and just let all the weight of your head relax.
Wow.
Okay. How are we doing?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Kind of intense.
Yeah, just I guess unknown, unexpected.
Kind of
so.
surprising.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to work on the other side now. Okay. Good. A little bit right there. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to decompress you a little bit.
Okay.
So let's have you lift that head up for me. Good, and set it down. And if I pull here, no pain or anything, right?
No.
Okay. So, I have you take a big breath in, out, loose. Doing okay there?
Yep.
Okay. So that kind of helps to loosen everything up. And then, let's have you scoot down a little bit. Good. A little bit more. Perfect. Okay. So, this hand's going to go right here in your collarbone. And this arm's going to reach down my back, almost like you're trying to grab the top of my pants, okay? So you're going to give me a little hug here. Good. We're going to come into these ribs. So, deep breath in, out, loose shoulder, let everything relax. Very tight there. Okay, we'll try that a little bit of a different way.
Okay.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to come in here, breathe in. There we go.
Okay.
A little better there. Okay, let's go one more here. Breathe in, out, loose. Good. Okay. Doing all
Maybe
right?
I'm pushing, like out instead of letting myself relax.
Relax. Yeah. Did it feel okay though?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could, yeah.
Okay, so let's have you scoot up towards me again. Good. And we're going to do a little bit of work on these muscles on the side of your neck here. It's my magic cloth. This just helps me glide a little bit. Yeah. Good. Okay. And then we're going to do a couple little adjustments on your wrists and on your elbow and everything just to help see if that contributes to the tingling. Crunchy. Doing okay? Sorry. One more, okay? Nice and easy. Let this elbow be loose. Good. Okay. Not too crazy there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to come into this armpit. Good. In there. Good. Little stretch here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We went in there and got some pressure off of the nerves in the neck where they come out to go to your arm. So let's go ahead and sit you up,
Okay.
and we'll take a look at some of those movements of your neck again and see how everything feels. So we'll have you sit back in that chair for me again. Yeah, perfect. So let's have you go chin down to your chest. Good, and then look up to the ceiling as far as you can. Over the right shoulder, and then the left. And how's that feel compared to before?
A lot more free.
A lot more open
Or,
and
yeah,
loose.
a lot more
Yeah.
open. Yeah, 'cause I know this way it kind of would hesitate, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's like a lot
Good.
better.
And I know you weren't having the tingling, but are we feeling good now?
Yeah.
So we'll see if that starts to come back. Sometimes it can take a few sessions to get the tingling to stop happening at night. And some of those postures and stuff, like working on the computer and things like that. But usually once we get in there and we get that pressure off the neck, especially that low side on the left, that was like C6, C7 level down there. And that's where the nerves that go to those two fingers, the pinky finger and the ring finger, come from, is that lower part of your neck. So I think that now that we got that moving, it's gonna make a big difference for you. And you know, based on what I saw today, what's going on with you isn't super severe. Probably what I would recommend is for you to come in every other week for a couple of weeks, maybe somewhere between 2 to 4 visits. And then after that, we could probably take you down to something like once a month just to make sure we're taking care of you.
Okay.
That sound okay to you?
Yep.
Okay.